Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? Welcome to my new video of Amazing Bliss Fishing YouTube channel. Everyone see the bliss, pond fishing, get movements and enjoy this time. Some people fish catching is muddy pond. Bliss people resort to fishing various techniques. Natural bliss fishing, beautiful scenery. Enjoy fish hunting in Bliss Pond. Everyone please now this video like, comment and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see the daily fishing videos. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.